Hello everyone, my name is Patrick.
My name is Yvonne.
And welcome to our new viral art video reaction video!
Again!
And today we will be reacting to the worst design fails.
My favorite.
Let's go. So your toe isn't stubbed yet? Challenge accepted. My sweet innocent mother got my sister a thermos with her initials monogrammed on it for Christmas.
So it's like a,
What does that say?
I don't know. I don't get it, the name.
C-U-M.
Oh, I didn't see the C there.
Oh, I think it's supposed to be a G, like gum, but then.
Oh, this is so embarrassing.
Very nice, but although she really likes it though.
And then, yeah, so. Ugh, what's
Nozzle
that?
trigger and filler placed on Batman's squirt gun. Can I shoot you with my gun?
No. Oh, stop it.
Oh my goodness! So these
So
are
it's getting dirtier and dirty. Before it's just words, and now it's
now it's actually images. Let's see what drive-through.
To where?
It's like Harry Potter, right? Like just like in Harry Potter, you run through the station.
Platform? Yeah.
Yeah. So this is the Starbucks version of the.
So this is not something that they kind of photoshopped it. So it's like a mirrored.
They could be, but it doesn't look mirrored. But just take it for what it is.
Yeah.
Lovely view, huh?
Because it is a guess game, so you can guess who is that man.
Yeah.
You know him.
Yeah. Oh, I know.
Yeah. I can recognize him through the thing.
Oh,
yeah.
through the thing, huh? Yeah, like Winnie the Pooh is not impressed.
No. This one is just
really
bit
handsome.
ugly.
Oh my god, you look so scary.
What happened to his eye?
Look his back too. Look, you can see you sit on his butt. You go in.
That's cute. I love to sit on my cat's butt.
These coffin-shaped doors in the hospital. That's just funny.
Yeah. Is
This bridge.
Oh, this looks so Chinese. Is it?
Looks so Chinese. Eh?
Is it dead? Because there are a lot of crazy design in China.
Yeah. It's just like why there's no need for a bridge.
This is not
It's
even
a bridge
water.
for what?
I don't think there's water in that pool.
It's fake water. They fake everything
Because
in China.
this is just like you have to feel it. This is not real.
Yeah, it's to get people to go to the hotel, and when they come here, they get disappointed.
Just an experience, like you feel like you are going
pool.
across a river or a stream or something.
But it's just fakeness, right?
Yeah.
Okay, no way anyone getting.
This is for people that good citizens.
Good.
They obey the rules.
Yeah,
It's
well, yeah,
like
gotta
that,
be
yeah.
Hey, stop good citizens from doing good things.
Yeah, so this is just like a sign.
Yeah, so like a sign, like don't steal.
Yeah, and it's just like when police said freeze, but nobody listened to it.
Yeah,
So
okay,
this is kind of the same thing.
Same thing. Okay, like stop people from.
Yeah.
People who listen to stuff.
People who listen.
911. I like to report a crime.
This is not a worst design, but it's just
a failure.
Yeah, especially for people with OCD.
Yeah, OCD. Yeah.
OCD. Yeah.
OCD.
This is gonna make them crazy.
Okay.
Oh, this is longer than I thought.
Speedo. If you got it, flaunt it.
What's wrong with this one? I don't see.
Look. What does it look like?
This is not another leg. I thought.
It's because yeah, that looks
But
seems about right.
this is isn't it too big? I don't think.
I don't know. It feels about right to me. Like. Oh,
No, the audience don't need to. Don't need to know this.
While we're on talk of awful poop,
Oh, so this is the shape.
Yeah,
of the
nice,
boy.
nice shape. Strong pig. Oh.
This one actually good advertising.
Good advertising, yeah, because
Yeah.
people come see it like, whoa.
You can see it from very, very far away. It's like, oh, what's that? And
Like
then-
from far away, it's like, oh, that's what a hot dog, and from up close, like, oh, that's what happens after you eat the hot dog.
oh yeah, because when you see the whole image, it's like, oh,
the
hot dog. But
When
when
you
you
go
see,
here, you just see the things coming out of the buns. So it's like a before and after, right? Like,
Yeah.
very smart.
before and after,
I like it. They're smart
yeah,
marketing.
and people remembers you.
Exactly. Chicken pig milk. This is like, maybe they forgot the name for a cow, right? Like,
Yeah. Well, I know a lot of people make fun of this cup
yeah.
because they say if you drink the other way that you can't really. Put
Oh yeah, you can't put it on your chin.
Yeah, and then if you drink this way, just to poke your eyes.
So fail no matter what, right?
Yeah, but this is getting so popular that they keep producing
Yeah,
it.
I think, but people buy it for because it's cute, right?
Yeah.
At the playground, north, south. Okay, they got it wrong. Because west is on the. Don't see that, don't right? Yeah, not that exciting. No, it's like an obstacle course, right?
Yeah.
You just gotta like dodge the
Good
trees.
exercise.
Oh,
The ball on the. Oh.
yeah. This is just the cracker at my work's Christmas lunch was a gun-shaped whistle. To blow it, you have to put the bell in your mouth.
What does this mean?
So like you when you want to blow on it, you go from like as if you put the gun in your mouth.
Ah.
But
This is not
it's
the
not that bad.
worst design. It's kind
Yeah.
of funny.
Yeah, what else can you do about it? Some people, huh?
Yeah.
Little Burby jerseys.
Ooh, this is a very, very bad handicraft.
it's probably a kid who made it. Mama Bear is welcoming everyone. Oh,
But I've seen a lot of
That looks fine,
entrance
honestly.
like this, yeah.
no one's
Well,
gonna
where
think.
else should it be?
Yeah. Open the mouth. Maybe like a big mouth.
Oh yeah.
Like that'd be kind of cute.
Yeah.
But like, he's like, yeah, come in.
Yeah.
Everyone welcome.
Because of the hands. Like,
Yeah.
Oh yeah, come in.
Oh, what? Oh, so there's the top sign and the
Yeah.
bottom sign are opposite. But I would look at how would you look at the top sign?
Yeah, I think most people just follow the sign
Yeah.
here. Not a very big mistake.
Oh yeah.
Oh, what's that in between them? A tail?
Yeah, it's what you want to imagine. It's whatever you want. Oh yes.
What's that?
There's a hole. It's like the hole
Uh-huh.
for the box. But what does it look like?
Oh! At first I thought it's like a pink penguin stuck in it or something.
What's the
But
penguin?
then, what? Then how should I look at it? The right way? What's that? That thing? What's that supposed to be?
It's a hole to carry it.
Oh, because the thing inside of it is
Yeah.
kind of the same color.
Yeah, so it matches up perfect. I think most of these are just penises.
And every one of them, each one of them is
They're all
exactly the same. Oh,
Nice.
the worst design is always something dirty.
It's always. I think that is the most fun ones, right?
Yeah. People love dirty things.
Bathroom mirror at bar in Italy.
This is art.
It's-
This is
yeah.
not for something for you to
Yeah, just
check yourself out. This is just a.
just leave. Just look out the washroom and go eat. Why are you in the washroom?
There's no need to look at yourself.
Yeah,
and
in the washroom.
stare-
You're not that beautiful. Like,
Yeah.
just move it along. Like,
Yeah.
oh, SpongeBob.
It's like a weird creature that's created by SpongeBob and some animal.
Yeah, I think it's fine. It's not that bad.
Hybrid.
Hybrid SpongeBob.
Yeah.
Cow.
The milk,
Yeah,
not a cow, yeah.
Oh, the milk, yeah. SpongeBob milk. Oh, that sounds even worse. Oh, yeah. He's like, hop on, kids. Come in my cup. Oh, I mean, I shouldn't say that word. This is bad.
No. control yourself.
What?
The
So,
government and
so the bus route's info map in Thailand. The left one is designed by the government, and the right one is designed by local community service
So
group.
this is more image, and this is more text based.
Yeah,
So this is like a line shows you which stops it goes.
Whoever I've never seen anything like that before.
Me too.
I've only ever seen on the one on the
Yeah.
right. Like who shows like.
Yeah.
You guys have it?
I've never thought that there's some design could be like this.
I think like someone the boss was asking, "Oh, can you make a design for the map?" And he just copy pasted what he had. I was like, I'm
Just like sometimes what we do for our boss.
Yeah, exactly. Like for this video, oh, make a video. Yeah, I'll watch another. I'll watch someone else make a video. Oh.
And no editing afterwards.
No editing afterwards too. Oh, we're such bad people. Who thought this placement would be a good idea? So the fridge is in the middle of the house.
Probably that, they are saying that in the house that is meant to support the whole building.
Yeah,
What do
like
you
the
call
pillars,
that?
like the support pillars, right?
Yeah, probably. But
like, look, it doesn't even touch the ceiling.
Oh, I don't know what's that for. But this is make like a separate space.
By
With that.
when you're cooking, you have to go all the way around it.
And you can buy some art to decorate the walls from the YKLM app.
Right? One of my exactly.
YKLM Auctions app, yay!
Good job, Yvonne. Damn, that was good.
I always have our company in my mind. Yeah.
Download in the description below.
Yeah, and subscribe and like our video. Yeah.
Thank you guys. Okay, this useless Tic Tac Toe
Oh,
is usually.
is it like a 3?
You need 9, right?
Yeah.
There's only 2. There's only 6 here. So
They
what
want to get it cheaper, so
Yeah.
that's why you miss one row.
Maybe it's like, oh, it doesn't fit. Like, too bad.
Yeah, I don't care.
The kids won't notice.
They will just mess around. They won't play it.
Yeah, who plays Tic Tac Toe on the playground anyway? It's like,
Yeah.
it's funny. Ew. Oh, Pride Month. So like ew. Oh, that's smart.
Yeah.
I like that. That's
Sometimes you need to go through your design a second time. Oh, this is what I thought about the bear. Just
pretty.
go
Just
in through the butt.
and go out in the front. Oh, holy!
Oh, this is look like so creepy. It's like
It's like a monster. It's like
it's
zombie-ish kind
yeah, like it is stuck in a horror movie.
of. Put that on top of your tree.
Yeah.
This playground, a private kindergarten and ops Russia. Okay, it's just
Oh, because this look like a prison.
yeah. I think it definitely is a prison for really naughty kids.
Yeah. So you can still have fun inside, but never come out.
Exactly. Oh, that looks. Okay. Oh,
Well, this is actually
Honestly,
very interesting.
I like it. This is cool.
Yeah.
It's like creative, right? Like.
Yeah, this is a good design to me.
Yeah. Well, it's not design fail. It's like a design win.
Yeah. So this is like stairs and they
Yeah, stairs. There's like he has 4 slides. Like.
Yeah.
Dude, I think that's awesome. I wish he looked more fun and didn't look sad. He looks like my life is
serious about this.
Yeah, this is
place.
like he's very serious about his job. I was like,
Yeah.
must hold on. Alright, we'll do one last one. Yep, I love looking at this.
Is it real or just full?
No, like I understand it because it's as a commercial, right? About the VR. So they're saying, oh, you can see through, but the phone is on the opposite side.
Yeah, I don't think this could be a real product because this is just so silly.
So stupid.
Yeah.
Let's see.
If it's real.
Yeah. Let's see. VR fail advert image. Will I find it? No.
No. See, they are all the normal
It
one.
was, oh yeah.
Oh, yeah, they photoshopped.
Photoshopped it. Yeah, obviously. Those little.
So this could also happen to that Starbucks thing.
Maybe, but no, I don't believe so. Yes. So thank you for watching the video.
Yeah, actually this is my favorite episode. I love watch the
Yeah.
worst design. Yeah.
So that was part 1. We'll be doing part 2 very shortly. Thank you for watching. If you liked the video, give us a like, subscribe, and
comment below.
comment below. What was your favorite design fail? Thank you.
Okay,
Have a good
see
day.
you next time.